Hey everyone, it's Kyri here, and I'm going to be teaching you how to use the new melt keyframe on Funimate. So what you're going to do is you're going to import a layer, go to keyframe, and add the melt effect. So I'm going to be showing you what the different effects do. So amount. What the amount does is actually melts the image. So what it does is it like stretches the half of the image in both directions. So a lot of popular transitions are with the melt effect. So what they do is they add a keyframe at the start, at the end, and then the second image is from the other direction. That's what amount does. Now, direction. What the direction does is it actually changes the direction of the melt. So if you want to put it in a corner or from the top, the sides, up to you. You can add keyframes to make it move, but just play around with it and see what you like. The next option is wiggle. Now what wiggle does is it adds a sort of wiggle effect, if you can see in this corner, and what evolution does is it moves it even more. So I'm going to just add a little transition just so you can see what it looks like. So you can add graphs to make it a lot smoother, but what it does is it basically wiggles the melted part, not the bottom part, which is not melted. Okay, so the last option we have is center, which you can move down or up or any direction depending on how much you want to melt. So you want the whole image to melt, you go from the bottom, and I'll just add a keyframe to show you what it looks like. And if you want the center somewhere else, just change that to however you like. So that's how to use the melt keyframe, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.